May basher nakapasok. Saan? Oh my God, let me see. Let me see. Kanina pa. Sorry, hindi kita napansin, basher. It's just not my thing. But if ever mapansin kita, you're welcome. Labas! Takot sa'yo, boss. Ano ba yan? Mag-bash ka pa kung matatakot ka rin naman. Puro gumawa ng account para mambash. That must be so sad. Bulok Bini. Oy, Bini! Bulok daw tayo! Sorry. Anyways. Sobrang bulok naman ng Bini, oh. Okay. Next song kasi, nadidistract tayo, eh.